Hi, I'm Shreenya, and welcome to Purple Seashells. Today we'll be making a pencil holder. The materials you'll need are some tissue rolls, paint, paintbrush, and decorative items. So let's get started. Paint your tissue rolls any color you like. Here are my painted tissue rolls, and they are Mod Podged. Now let's decorate them. That's to do for the other tissue rolls. Here are my tissue rolls. Now we'll be sticking them with hot glue gun. You can stick your tissue rolls in any shape you like. I hope you try this easy pencil organizer. Bye! Thank you! Please subscribe to Purple Seashells.